Welcome to the world of science and technology. Today's topic of discussion is so fascinating. The topic is quantum physics in photosynthesis. So photosynthesis, you might have studied this. This belongs to the subject of botany, and botany belongs to biology or life sciences. That is known to you. But here we will explore quantum physics in the field of photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is what? That is known to you. Photosynthesis is the process by which sunlight, carbon dioxide and water are converted by plants into glucose and oxygen. So that is photosynthesis. So at its core, it's a chemical process, no doubt. And you know this as a chemical process. Everybody knows this as a chemical process. But behind the scenes, this is powered by quantum physics. And that is the topic of discussion in today's video. Okay, so behind the scenes, this is powered by quantum physics. So how this happens actually? You know, in plant cells, chromoplasts are there, which are it begins, this photosynthesis process begins by absorbing sunlight. Okay, from there it begins. So in plant cells there are some complexes known as chloroplasts, and within chloroplasts chlorophyll molecules are there, and they actually absorb sunlight and generate energy rich electrons. Okay, but how do plants how do those electrons know where to move, where they are actually needed? Okay, that is the question. That means how those electrons choose the required pathway for their movement. Okay, after it's generated by the chlorophyll molecules. So that is the question. Now, what is the requirement? The requirement is the quantum physics, actually, quantum coherence. So, instead of moving randomly, electrons do not move actually randomly. After its generation, after their generation, they do not move randomly. Instead, they exist in the form of quantum waves and exploring all the possible paths. So this quantum behavior actually helps the electron to select the pathway, the required pathway. And in going through that required pathway, energy waste or energy loss becomes minimum. That is so interesting. Okay, that is so interesting. Actually, plants are using this quantum physics, okay, or quantum coherence for billions of years to fuel the life on planet Earth. And scientists have experimental evidence is there. They have used ultra-fast lasers to track the energy flow of the electrons in real time. And they have got the result. According to them, electrons use actually quantum superposition. Quantum superposition that belongs to the subject of quantum physics or quantum mechanics. So electrons they revealed, the experiment revealed that electrons use quantum superposition. Means they exist in multiple states simultaneously. And that way they choose the required path. Means when they move through that path, energy loss or energy waste becomes minimum. And no doubt it's a feat which defies classical physics. So here we can find the use of quantum physics in the field of photosynthesis. So that means nature is leveraging this technique of quantum coherence. Okay, we are developing different technologies and using the principles of quantum mechanics. But nature itself is using this technique. For what? For minimizing energy loss in case of photosynthesis. For minimizing energy loss. Means you can say that almost there is no loss or no waste of energy in the process of photosynthesis. After generation of the energy rich electrons. Noise is coming from outside. Please ignore that noise. Okay, they are working there. People are working there. Anyway, so I was talking about quantum physics in the field of photosynthesis. Okay, so anyway, so this was all about today's topic. It's so interesting, and scientists are inspired by this natural process. After knowing this thing in detail, everyone, I think everyone, if you know physics, if you are interested in physics, then everyone will be inspired by this process. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. So this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.